So one of the ways to make your presentation interesting is by adding transitions between pages, and this will make the flow from one page to the other page so interesting. And speaking of transitions, Canva actually just added a new transition which I really find so interesting, and I want us to actually take a look at it. So we can see this is a very simple reel design over here, and there's nothing really happening. What you need to do is to click in between the pages and click on add transition. Okay, this should bring you to this transition page where we have so many transitions over here, and the one we're actually looking for is the flow transition. This is how everything gets to look like, which is very beautiful. So to make the intro and outro of your reel interesting, we are going to be adding some extra animations to the design. Click on the first page, come to animate, and you can choose any animation of your choice. So I'll choose rise for this, and I'll choose on enter. Also with this second page, we'll click on rise again, and with this we'll choose on exit, so that it all goes out beautifully. So if we are to play through, this is what we have. So this can be applied to any presentation or video at all you edit in Canva. So make sure to like and follow for more.